Budgeting made simple. Start today and stay in control. If you've tried budgeting before and it didn't stick, don't worry. Most people overcomplicate it. A real budget isn't a punishment, it's a roadmap. It tells your money where to go before it disappears. Today, we're breaking down how to set up a budget that actually works simple, realistic, and easy to maintain. And the best part, you can start today under 30 minutes. Step 1. Know your numbers. This is the foundation of every successful budget. You need two things: your monthly income and your monthly expenses. Don't guess, track. Here are free tools you can use today. Mint tracks everything automatically. Rocket Money finds subscriptions and spending leaks. Every Dollar, beginner friendly and simple. And Google Sheets, easy customizable template. If you prefer super simple, open your bank app, export last month's transactions, categorize into essentials, non-essentials, and subscriptions. Awareness is your superpower. You don't need a complicated system. Pick the budget format that matches your personality. Like option A, 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings plus debt payoff. Perfect if you want structure without micromanaging. Option B, zero-based budget. Every dollar gets a job, nothing left unassigned. Great if you want to know exactly where your money goes. Or option C, cash flow bucket method. Split your money into buckets: bills, spending, savings. Simple, visual, stress-free. Choose one, don't mix. Keeping it simple is what makes the budget stick. Now, let's put it all together. List your income, list your total expenses, assign your spending into categories, adjust your categories so they fit the budget method you choose, and set boundaries you can live with, not extreme rules you'll quit in a week. Set up automatic transfers like auto pay your bills, auto transfer savings, auto pay subscriptions. Automation protects your budget, even on your busy or low motivation days. A budget works when you check in, not when you ignore it. Commit to a 5-minute weekly review. See what you spent. Shift categories if needed. Make adjustments before payday hits again. This weekly habit is what keeps your budget alive. And remember, your budget should feel supportive, not stressful. You're building control, confidence, and consistency one step at a time. That's how you build a budget that actually works. Simple, flexible, beginner-friendly, and easy to maintain. If you want more step-by-step money tips, subscribe to Grow&GainFinance for weekly videos. Your 4-leaf clover is here to guide your financial journey, and today you just made a major money move.